Hello. I'm Chisom Eze, a certified financial education instructor, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Theroadsideinvestor, where we provide you with the tools that can help you on your wealth creation journey to financial freedom and personal growth. And by what you've seen on the title of this video, I'm going to be doing another app review for a budgeting app. If you're a subscriber on this channel and have watched my videos, you would know how big I am on budgeting and managing your expenses. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a very wonderful app which I think can be helpful to you, and there will be a link in the description. You can click on it and go ahead to download it. Let's get straight into this. The name of the this budgeting app is the Money Lover app. You just search for Money Lover and it pops up. This particular app has about 5 million downloads. It's available on Android and iOS. So let's get into the app review. So I decided to sign up all over again so you can also see the sign up process. So once I tried to sign up via Google and I picked my email, this was the next thing I saw. So they asked here, which goals would you like to achieve? Do you want to track your own spending? Do you want to track spending with another person? Budget spending, track savings, others. So for the sake of this video, we'll click on track my own spending, track spending with another person, budget my spending, and track my savings. So let's continue. Then you're here to create your first wallet. So the good thing about this Money Lover app is that you have the ability to create more than one wallet. So wallet name, cash. This is where you set your currency. So obviously I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to look for Nigeria Nairas. Wallet name, what do you want to name this wallet? Life let's just name it Life, and you click on continue, and it says here add your first transaction. Let's go on. So this is pretty much it. You can see that they're already even directing us on where to go. To add expenses, you click on this plus sign here, and wow, they're really directing us. How much did you spend? What did you spend on? If needed, you can tag a person, attach a photo, or set a reminder and tap save to confirm when done. You can see that they're already directing you. So let's click on a category. When you click on category, you can see that you see a lot of required expenses, up and commas being like expenses that are not regular. It's like periodical expenses. You can see fun and relaxed expenses, investing and debt payments. We have income, salary, other income, others. So for the sake of this video, let's click on salary and income. So let's just impute 2 million naira here, for example. Then obviously it goes to Life, a wallet I already created. And today you can try to write a note if you want, or you just click on save. It now said here, this transaction amount seems too big. Are you sure it's correct? Yes, it's correct. Thanks. Then continue. So it says here, one more thing, to help you build a habit of adding transactions, we will remind you every evening. What time do you want to be reminded? So you pick the time you want to be reminded. Maybe for me, I'm just going to pick 6 p.m. for the sake of this video, and click on save. So all right, now it's up to you. If you need help, just look for this icon. Okay, thank you. Got it, Money Lover. So of course they have their paid version. What we're currently working with now is the free version. But what I like about this app is that they also tell you what you stand to gain with their paid version, which we will look at later in this video. So now we have imputed an income. The next thing we're going to do is to impute an expense. And let's say our expense is food, right? And let's say we have spent 50,000 naira on food. Click on save. right? Let's do one more for investment. Click on this, scroll down to investment, and let's say we have 500,000 naira for investment. Now click on, we can write in notes, it can be stocks purchase, for example, just for example, and you click on save. Again, they say this amount seems too big. I really don't know why they keep showing this, but okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So now the next thing I want us to do, because we have imputed expenses, we have imputed income, and also investment. So altogether we have, what we have left is 1.450 M, as you can see here. But let's see how they show us the report. So click here. So from what we can see here, this is where you go to if you want to see the report. This is usually the breakdown. So if we imputed a debt, we'll see it here. If we had a loan, we'd also see it here. So this is pretty much it. This is pretty much the income page. So another thing you can do is, there's a planning section of the app. You click on planning, and we can see here budgets, events, recurring transactions, and bills. So let's click on budget here. But here it says a financial plan to balance your income and expenses. Budget only support basic wallets and linked wallets. Okay, hi there. Is this your first time to use a budget? Yes, take a tour. Okay, next. And so let's add food and beverage, and let's say our budget is 40,000. We are creating a budget now for food and beverage, 40,000, and let's just click on save. So you can see that it said always keep your eyes at progress bar of budget you set. If the progress bar doesn't exceed today, that means you have a good budget. If you remember, I imputed that I just spent 50,000 naira on food and budget, and that is why it's showing red over here. Let's click on next. So don't forget to set spending limits for other expenses. It will take control of minor and unexpected expenses, so you don't have to adjust your budget plan regularly. Why I really like this app is you can see that they're really taking out time to guide you through the process, which many budgeting apps don't really do. So thank you for that. So let's add something for television bill, for example. Okay, you can see here that there are some things we can't budget for because we're on free version. So if you want to have access to them, you can then upgrade your account. If you click on subscribe here, it shows you the where to subscribe or pay. So this is basically it. So with Budget Plus, you have smart management, no more tiers when you look at your wallet. Number 2, unlimited budget. You can budget for as much things as possible. Priority updates, be the first to enjoy the newest feature. Adjust spending limits, easily adjust your overspending budget to ensure you reach your financial goals. Advanced budget reports, analyze deeply your spending behavior in each period. And this is pretty much what they offer. This is just pretty much it. For the premium, we have all these things too, smart money management and the likes. For the free one, you only have smart money management. So this is pretty much it. So if you want to upgrade, you upgrade. But let's see if we can add other things like transportation. Wow, it looks like you pretty much can't add any more things. It looks like you have to pay to actually add. That's interesting. This is the first time I'm seeing such a feature here. Let's click on wow. So basically, budgeting here, you can only budget food and beverage. Every other thing here, you have to subscribe to be able to have access to it. So let's just go back here. Let's go to events. Create an event to track on your spending during an actual event like traveling at weekend. So they said here that when you're traveling, turn on this mode. So every transaction you make will be added to an event. So if you're traveling, so basically what that means is if you're traveling, just turn on the travel mode, and within that period of time when your travel mode is still on, all expenses will be made under travel, meaning that okay, whether you buy food, you buy whatever expenses you make, everything would be recorded as things that you spent when you traveled. Okay, to show you where to actually turn on the travel mode, you have to click on accounts, then click on travel mode here, and you can now click on select event and add whatever event is that. It can be Christmas, right? And you can say ending date ends on the 31st of December, for example. So every expense you make would be under this event. Click on save. That's pretty much it. So what I noticed here now is I'm actually finding it pretty hard to cancel this travel mode. Just like once you put it, that's it until the end date comes. So I'm finding it hard to do that. And of course, just to mention, if you want to add another event, you have to upgrade your account. So back to planning, we have recurring transactions as well. So that's pretty much how to budget using the Money Lover app, how to create an event, recurring transaction, and then bills. So what you can see at the top of my screen here is wallet, the live wallet we created earlier. If you want to add another wallet, these are the kind of wallets that you can add. A basic wallet, it says here that a wallet which you manually impute your transactions. It says a link wallet, a wallet which automatically synchronizes with your transactions from banks and other services. A credit wallet which you manually arrange your credit card transactions in a simple way and remind you of important due dates. And you have a Go wallet, a wallet which you manually note all your savings. So let's click on linked wallet and see what they have here. So let's go next. Link to your local banks, PayPal, or even services like Uber and Starbucks, you name it. Readily available. Access your linked wallet wherever you are and wherever you go. Click on done. So what then shows here are the banks, services, or providers, people that you can link to. So what I'll advise you to do is, if you're looking to pay, because this is also a paid feature, if you're looking to pay for this, you have to search if the bank or the services you want to link to is actually available here. Let's see if Uber is here, for example. Uber is not here. Let me use a bank here. This bank is not here as well. So you just pretty much have to search if any of these banks or services are what you're looking for, then you can go ahead and make a payment. Let's click on this bank in Indonesia. Let's go to store and see. So of course you also have to pay. Linked wallet is not free, you have to definitely pay for it, and this is it here in nairas. Obviously it will not be the same thing in your currency, so this is pretty much it. So we're going back now. Now let's click on Go Wallet and see where that takes us. Free is great, but premium is better. Go premium to enjoy unlimited awesome features. So I'm guessing that is also a premium feature. Same thing with this. So basically all these wallets, both basic, linked, credit, and Go Wallet, are all premium features. Premium here means that you have to pay something for them. So let's go back and let's click on accounts. Here it shows the summary. So if you want to upgrade, you can view upgrade options. So you can see my wallet, which is where we're just at now, where we saw basic wallet, Go Wallet, and the likes for you to upgrade. So there are also here tools. So if you want to have access to other things here, for example, Exchanger, that's another app. Exchanger is a simple way to convert currency, etc. So all of this will lead you to somewhere else. Interest rate, you can easily calculate interest rate here if you want. You can export CSV, Excel, etc. So that's pretty much it. You want to go to their store, you see their store here. Money Lover Premium, like basically these are the packages they have where you can actually pay and get access to more features. So that's pretty much it. So let's click on view upgrade options, and it says here premium. So you only get to buy this premium once, buy once and use forever, and the price here is almost 7,500 in naira. It's to show in your currency. What you get to enjoy with the premium is 99 plus basic wallets, credit and go wallets. You get to also enjoy unlimited budgets. You also get to export to CSV and Excel. Then you also get to remove ads and have support as their customer care by experts, and you get to also try new features. And this is all you get with their premium. And this premium package, you get to pay for it just once. So I can see that there are different things to pay for here. You can upgrade your account to premium for some features. I think you're good to go. You can go ahead and explore more parts of this app, but I really like the user interface, the user experience. It happens to be the simplest budgeting app I have come across so far. So if you want to download it, there'll be links in the description box or the pinned comment. If you made it to the very end of this video, you're welcome. Now you're well equipped to use this app and actually start managing your expenses. So you're welcome once again. I'll definitely see you in another video. Don't forget, you can send me your financial dilemma stories by clicking the link in the pinned comment. Just tell me what you're going through financially, and I will film a special video for you, giving you my thoughts on how you can go about solving your issue and things like that. So just let me know by clicking the link in the description box and narrating your story to me. And until then, I would see you in another video. Bye.